Nobody wants to hear this, but most YouTube advice gives you a fake timeline. You can get monetized in 30 days. Sure, if you already have an audience, a team, and 6 hours a day to make videos. For the average beginner, the real numbers tell a very different story. And knowing the honest timeline up front might be the thing that actually keeps you in the game long enough to win. Welcome back. This channel is all about building a real YouTube income with no fluff and no hype. Let's get into the actual data on how long monetization takes, and more importantly, what you can do to get there faster. Based on industry data from 2026, here's what the average creator can realistically expect. Channels that post consistently 2 to 3 videos per week typically reach 1,000 subscribers in somewhere between 3 and 12 months. The wide range depends heavily on niche, content quality, and how well the channel is optimized for search and discovery. The fastest growing channels tend to combine long-form content with YouTube Shorts. Channels using both formats hit the 1,000 subscriber milestone roughly twice as fast as those relying on long-form alone. But here's what the data also shows. The 0 to 100 subscriber phase is the hardest. Most people quit here. After 100 subscribers, growth tends to compound. After 500, it accelerates noticeably. The algorithm starts recognizing your channel as legitimate and pushes your content more aggressively. Don't give up. It's not a race or a get-rich-quick journey. You are building something real and profitable if you stick to the plan. Your timeline is not fixed. These factors move it in either direction. Niche competition. Highly competitive niches like generic gaming or beauty take longer. Specific, searchable niches like AI tools tutorials or personal finance for freelancers can grow faster because you're ranking on searches that fewer channels are targeting. Publishing frequency. This one is straightforward. More consistent output means more surface area for the algorithm to promote. A channel posting once a week builds a content library twice as fast as one posting every 2 weeks. A library of 30 relevant videos is a growth machine compared to 5 random uploads. Thumbnail and title quality. This is probably the most underrated variable. A great video with a bad title and a weak thumbnail might get 200 views. The same video with a strong title and compelling thumbnail could get 20,000. Your click-through rate is the multiplier on everything else. Watch time and retention. YouTube uses average view duration as a signal for content quality. Videos that keep people watching for 50% or more of their runtime get pushed to more people. If your average viewer drops off in the first 2 minutes, you're essentially invisible to the algorithm. Here are the highest leverage moves to get there faster. Move 1. Start with shorts. If you're starting from 0, publish 3 to 5 shorts before your first long-form video. Shorts put your channel on the map quickly. They bring in your first batch of subscribers who will then watch your long-form content and contribute to your watch hours. Move 2. Target low-competition keywords from day 1. Use a free tool like vidIQ to find keywords with decent search volume and low competition. Videos that rank in search don't depend on the algorithm. People find them because they were already looking. This is the fastest way to get consistent early views without needing viral luck. Move 3. Make your first 10 videos count. Your first 10 videos are your channel's first impression. New viewers often binge several videos before deciding to subscribe. If those 10 videos are strong, every new viewer has a higher chance of converting into a subscriber. Move 4. Post consistently, not intensely. 2 videos a week for 6 months beats 8 videos in 1 week followed by nothing. Sustainability matters. Channels that burn out in month 2 never reach monetization, regardless of how talented the creator is. Here's the honest truth. This takes time. For most creators, the realistic timeline to full YouTube Partner Program monetization is 6 to 18 months of consistent quality publishing. That sounds like a long time. But here's the other side of that equation. Once you're monetized, the content you made in month 1 is still earning money. YouTube is one of the few platforms where your older work keeps compounding in value. Treat this like planting a garden, not winning a sprint. Put in the work now, and it pays you later. The creators who get monetized aren't always the most talented. They're the ones who understood the timeline and showed up anyway. Now, you know what to expect and what to do to beat the average. If you want to go deeper on any of these strategies, the next video covers exactly how to hit 4,000 watch hours as fast as possible. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you there.